are committed to being your back-to-school authority. The roadmap to returning to class for many schools is still in the works and ever-changing. Learning while staying safe is a combination weighing heavily on students, parents, and teachers' minds. Today, we're taking a look into the honest concerns of a local teacher.
But I just feel like with the numbers continuing to rise, I just didn't think it was safe for our students, teachers, and just all the staff to be returning to the buildings in such close proximity.
Stephanie Lucas-Polnitz is a 6th grade social studies teacher at Callaway Middle School. She's been working for the Mobile County Public School System just shy of 2 decades. That experience not enough to prepare her for a global pandemic.
I was very excited to know that it was going to be online. I had already chosen the option for my own son to stay home and be online.
Mobile County Public School Superintendent Cressel Threadgill's announcement to start school on September 1st and keep it remote for the first 9 weeks, an overall sigh of relief for Lucas-Polnitz.
We don't know who these children may be exposed to, and then they're coming in exposing us, and you know, it's not being selfish, but we have to take care of ourselves so that we can continue to work in the classroom.
In person to online learning, eliminating some fears of virus transmission, but creating other ones.
Just not knowing the students and knowing their personalities, and just really having to just teach from a computer screen and give them work. I think it's going to be difficult.
Getting insight on a student's home life or seeing signs of abuse, also something she says will be all the more difficult. And then there's finding childcare for her own 2 kids.
My children are 10 and 1, so I am a concerned parent as well as to how this is going to work, because I'll be having to teach along with having to make sure he's getting his work done. So that kind of pushes teachers in a corner who are parents, because we've got to do both jobs.
Their biggest concern right now is what to do with their children. They don't have childcare. That's not their norm.
Abigail Davis is a local director for the Alabama Education Association. She represents teachers in the MCPSS, Chickasaw, Saraland, and Satsuma city schools. According to her, Superintendent Threadgill is purchasing cameras for his classrooms, and teachers will instruct from there.
We found out that some of the principals will allow them to bring their children to the school with them in their classrooms, as long as they're not disrupting the tapings, and then other principals don't want them to bring their children to the school. So it varies principal to principal.
Another option for teachers who can't find childcare falls under the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. They can take 10 weeks off the job with 2/3 pay. If your student is in the Chickasaw, Saraland, Satsuma City School, or any school with in-person learning, that won't be an option. Teachers at those schools, Davis says, have other worries. Contracting the virus, for one.
They have to take the temperatures of the children. They're not required to wear a mask. It's okay if they wear a mask. They don't have to wear a mask. So it makes the teachers a little nervous.
Now, I asked Davis if she's heard of any teachers who decided to quit instead of return to the classroom during this pandemic, and so far she says she has not.